Welcome, Rudyworld. This one is a very special episode, as you can see. I want to say thank you. This channel has hit 504 subscribers, which means only better things for this channel. Here's what blows my mind. I got a 137.4 thousand impressions, 5.2 thousand hours of watch time. I don't watch Rudy for 5,000 hours. Huge thank you. 504 subscribers. Most of my subscribers are between 25 and 44. And it's funny because 3 years ago, 7 months ago, and 8 days ago, on April 17th, 2022, I decided to release my first series of videos. It was actually a birthday song, the Czech birthday song, and that was followed by Oculus, because there were the customer service was subpar, and I wondered if anybody else was having problems. So I created a channel doing stuff and things. On April 17, 2020, now I have 8 shorts and 218 videos. It's funny. How to remove a CD. You never know what will work, what will not. 38,653 views. Super Fit Treadmill. 38,146, and that's just that one video. There's more of that one. Oculus, 30,333 with 123 comments. The iRobot back here, 18,923 views. Arcade one up just to repair the button over here, 2,428. Sealy Posturepedic mattress review, 2,493, and the Czech birthday song, 13,000. Guys, I want to say thank you. You are amazing. I just applied. We know with champagne bottles, we don't want to make this thing explode because we got electronics back here, and I don't want to have a show on how to repair those. You guys are amazing. Thank you. And cheers to the 1,000 subscribers and the next step. Love you guys. Thank you. Thank you for working with me on doing stuff and things. More and more to come. Cheers.